Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to our channel, and this is me Shilpa. So today we are going to see a makeup look which I done for my a dance performance which I recently did in my college. If you haven't watched the vlog, please do watch it, and that was the look which we are going to recreate right now. And I am going to just prime my skin. I'm using the Lakme Absolute one. The basic thing is everybody has an issue whenever some events come like this. People go for any kind of makeup artist which will charge you a lot of money, which you can honestly speaking do with yourself and do whatever you have, you can just use all those things and make a good look out of your skills. And I'm just prepping my skin. The thing is, I have already moisturized my skin. Make sure to do that. And right now I'm going to use a lipstick. This is from K Beauty. It's in the shade Red Carpet. I'm just going to use it as my spot corrector, because most of the time now in stages and all, the dark spots will be most of the time visible, and even if you're going to take a shoot or anything, it will always help you out. I did had a color corrector, but I'm just using this because this is a DIY hack which you all can obviously try out. And this whole look, I'm just doing it in like 10 minutes to 15 minutes maximum. That's it, and it's very simple to do. It's not complicated, it's not too heavy which you won't feel like too much makeup is there on your skin. No, it is really less as compared to a normal performance kind of makeup. Just blend it all around the area wherever you have any dark spots or anything. So yeah, this is an extra step which you can do. Next thing, I'm going to use a concealer. It's a bit lighter for me. It's from the IBA Cosmetics, but the thing is, I don't like this concealer honestly speaking because it's too light for me. But the thing is, anyway, I'm going to use a foundation on top of that, so for me currently it's fine. I'm just applying it all over the areas wherever I have applied my color corrector. And for the color corrector, make sure you're not fully blending it out. And now I'm using this brush from Real Techniques. This is a really nice brush whichever I've used till now. I will leave all the links down below in the description box. You can go and check it out. And I'm just blending it out. Usually I use my fingers because it is the product is a bit more. Today I'm just blending it out with a brush, and it is really easy to do. Okay, foundation, you can go for a full coverage, or this one is from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their stick foundation. It's like a medium to buildable coverage. It's in the shade Alfredo, and I'm just using a bit of it. I am a person who always uses makeup in a way where I'll just apply a bit, then I'll blend, then if needed again I'll apply, because there is no point in adding the entire dabba of makeup on your face and messing it up. So make sure you're applying it a bit. And I'm using a brush. I always prefer to go for a sponge, but this time I can't wash it always because I'm in my hostel right now, so it's not that easy to blend it off. And also one more thing, if you haven't watched the vlog now, make sure to go and watch it. It was the real fun time we had in our college, and you will enjoy it for sure. And next I'm going to use a contour stick. This is from My Glam. It's not mandatory, you can obviously go for a powder contour, but I just had it, so I just used it. And yeah, it won't make a lot of difference for me. I haven't found a lot of difference, but still give a bit definition on your cheek so that it will look much more, what to call it, I don't know, I don't believe in the perfect things, but still it will look a bit more like chisel. And then I'm just blending it with the same brush I used before. And yeah, that's it. And after that I'm using highlighter. Yes, I guess it was an highlighter. I don't remember what I did. No, yeah, I was just blending my contour out. Sorry for the miscommunication. One more thing guys, whatever you're blending now, make sure you're blending it properly, otherwise it will look so weird. And right now I'm going to use the Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint. It's a really pretty shade. I don't remember the shade number. I'll anyway put everything down in the description box. I use this on a daily basis. I love it. And yeah, I'm just blending it out with a brush because first of all, the thing is, you have to apply all the cream products initially before going for a powder thing. And I'll just show what I am always doing in the case of my makeup so that it will stay a bit more longer than usual. Okay, After all the cream products are done, I am going to use this Fit Me loose powder from Maybelline, and this is a really nice powder because it always gives that good coverage, and at the same time it won't look like really cakey. But make sure to use it less, don't use it too much and tell me that it is looking cakey. No. Okay, so just use a puffy brush and just dab it all over your skin. Yeah. And I'm using this 3-in-1 Vivid Victory palette from Sugar Cosmetics for my highlights. I'm just using a bit of powder highlight, and after that I'll be obviously going for the powder blush as well, because just to add a topping, like we are adding, topping on the cake maybe. That was so obvious, and I don't know what was that I just said, whatever. So I'm just doing the highlight thing. I'm just applying it with my fingers because I was not satisfied with the look which my brush gave me, and I was planning to go for setting spray, but no guys, I am right now going to do my eyeshadow. I'm just taking a brown shade as my transition shade, just applying it all over my creases with a puffy brush, and yeah, blend it out properly, otherwise it will look so weird anyway. I'm going for this golden shade from the palette, and this palette by the way is from Revolution. This is the Creative Volume 1, and I'm just applying it on my inner corner. And one more hack, when you're applying any glitter apply it with your finger so that you will get good pigmentation rather than going for a brush. And it's a good palette actually, you can just blend it. I always use my fingers for all the things on my face. For whatever makeup I always use my fingers because that gives me much more good coverage and good, vibrancy maybe. And after that I'm going for this dark blue shade for a kind of smoky look, but it's not kind of smoky look, something. I was clueless before doing it, and the look which I showed you before, that was entirely not the look which I did afterwards, but still that was just a reference. And I just blended it out with a brush again in my outer corner. So I'm just applying that golden shade to my lower lids, and you can even go for a nude shade of eyeliner. And now I'm going to use the setting spray. Why? Because if you add your setting spray after your mascara and all in case if it is not waterproof, it might smudge out, because that happened with me before. So I'm just taking a precaution. And now I'm using the NYKA mascara. This is the volume series thing, and it's really nice, it's affordable. I'll highly suggest you to go for the same. And next thing, I'm using this Sugar Ka liquid lipstick plus a crayon lipstick, not a crayon lipstick, a retractable kind of packaging mein it will come, so that one. And I'm topping it with a lip gloss which I didn't like, which I changed afterwards. So let's see the final look. This was the final look which I went for. I was literally not having any garments to wear, so I just randomly picked up, and with the lip gloss I removed the lip gloss, and this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.